Tucker and Mazzi, my buddies. My babies are playing. Kitty, 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 kitty. See, here's the Ledbetter dogs. There's Tucker Ledbetter and Mazzi Ledbetter. She's older, and we had her for about 2 weeks longer than we had him. She was only a pound when we got her, and he was 4 pounds. Tiny. They were tiny. The mama's babies were tiny. Gross. Stop sneezing on me. Oh, look at you two. Look at my buddies. Get your bellies. This is what they do all day. They play and they love on each other. Lay down. Are you laying on Mommy's legs so that Mazzi can't lay there, Tucker? You taking up all the space so Mazzi has to go over there? Look at you. Tucker doesn't want to share. Tucker, you don't want to share Mama? You don't want to share Mommy's lap? Eat him, Mazzi. Eat his face off. Eat his face off. Look how dirty this blanket is from Tucker and Mazzi jumping up on it right now. Slobber. I got slobber on the bed. All kinds of deliciousness. Yep. We're about to throw the blanket in the washer. It's about to happen. See, the house is all bare. Everything has been removed. We're packing and leaving. We're leaving this house. See. Oh, well, there's boxes all outside that door. There's boxes all outside this room.